Congratulations on your purchase of a Sniper Series extractor by Sandia. After receiving your product, thoroughly inspect your box for any visual shipping damage. Carefully remove the staples from the box using a screwdriver to pull the staples out slightly so you can grasp them firmly with a pair of pliers. Be careful not to injure yourself with the sharp ends of the staples. Remove the loose contents of the box, checking to make sure you have one or two 25-foot yellow safety cords with illuminating ends, depending on which model you purchased, as well as the owner's manual. To remove your extractor from the box, open all 4 flaps and grab a hold of the handle of the unit, pulling the box towards you while tilting it back and carefully laying it flat down on the ground. The handle will now be lying toward you on the ground. With one hand, grab the handle of the unit and roll the extractor out while holding the box in place with your other hand. Tilt the machine up on its casters and inspect it for any visual damage. Both the 2200 and 3200 models are available in 12-gallon and 6-gallon sizes. The 2200 indicates dual-stage vacuum motors and a 200 psi pump. The 3200 indicates dual 3-stage motors and a 200 psi pump. Although the vacuum motors may differ, all 4 of these machines operate exactly the same with the exception of the power cord. The 2-stage vacuum motor is very similar to the 3-stage vacuum motor, other than a slightly larger motor winding and the addition of a 3rd set of fans, increasing the airflow and lift of the motor. 3-stage motors are particularly effective when used in high altitudes due to the lack of air density. When opening the machine, bring the latch out and rotate it. You can now lift the casing and expose the internal parts of your Sniper. The equipment is quite simple and easy to use. Each machine has 2 vacuum motors and a 200 psi solution pump. Notice the top of your Amatec motor has a cooling fan. Sandia uses an exclusive inducting system that brings cool air from the outside of the motor cavity over your Amatec motor, ensuring the longest motor life possible. If you have a 2200 machine with 2-stage motors, you'll have 1 power cord to plug into an electrical outlet. If you have a 3200 machine with 3-stage motors, you'll have 2 power cords to plug into electrical outlets on separate breakers. On the back of the machine, make sure the Valterra dump valve is in the closed position, pushed all the way down. If you've received a machine that's been winterized, note the yellow caution sticker on the top of the machine. Read it thoroughly and follow the instructions to run 1 gallon of water through the system prior to use. On the top of the machine, locate the black twist lock access port. Lift the tab and turn it to the 90-degree position. Reach in and remove the vacuum restrictor ball float. Shake it and verify the ball inside is free-flowing. Put the ball float back into the tank and replace the lid. Lift the front solution tank lid to verify that the acorn strainer is on the solution inlet. Don't be surprised if you find water in your machine, as it has been tested to ensure